Welcome back to part 2 of Disney makeup transformation. We are doing a Little Mermaid. I'm so excited. So you guys, let's get into it. Okay guys, I'm going to use Beauty Glaze Color Fusion Over the Rainbow eyeshadow palette. I'm using the color dark green. I'm going to apply that all over my eyelid. I'm going to start with my outer corner. I'm going to go in a circular motion, and I'm going to make sure my whole eyeball is covered with the color green because I want to showcase the colors of Ariel. So I'm making sure that I am blending out the colors very well so you guys can see it. Now I did get some over my nose, but it's okay. I'm going to use the color purple as well. I'm going to use that as the bottom of my eyeliner. So I'm using a small little brush to apply my purple eyeshadow towards the bottom. I did get in my eyes just a little bit, but I'm okay. So I am applying underneath. And then I'm going to go in and use my Ruby Kisses Tint Moisturizer in the color Cappuccino. So I'm applying a little of that. I do love this because you can squeeze out just a little bit. You don't need a lot. And it just looks more natural. So I'm going to let that dry. So as I'm letting that dry, I'm going to apply my eyeliner. I'm using in the color black. I'm using by Absolute. And I'm just going to draw my eyeliner. It's not perfect, but I'm just blending it out. So after that, you guys, I'm going to go ahead and blend in that tint moisturizer. I let it sit for a little bit. So as you guys can see that it blends in with my skin. So I'm just making sure that I am also getting underneath my eyes and underneath my wing. So I'm going back in just a little bit to make sure that everything is really nice and smooth and neat with my eyeliner. And then I'm going to go in with some red. And I'm doing my eyebrows. I'm going to paint my eyebrows red. So I'm just using this technique because I know Ariel, her brows are red. So I am applying eyeshadow on my brows. I hate that I'm going to mess them up, but I wanted to do this. So I'm going to be fully in character. I'm fully committed. So I am doing this. So I am doing my brows red. And I'm just using eyeshadow red to blend it out. So I had to do it probably about 2 or 3 times because I want the red to show because my eyebrows are dark. And I just probably went over about 3 times to make sure that the red actually shows. And then I'm going to use my green glitter palette. Glitter. So this is called Glitters 24 eyeshadow palette with the glitter in it. So I'm just using the color green because I want to showcase the colors and I want it to stand out. And it did, you guys. Look at this. Okay, guys, I'm finished. So now I'm going to use my Ruby Kisses Velvet. And I am using number V0. This is in the color Cherry. So it's 01 Very Cherry. So I'm using this to outline my lips. And I'm just using a little bit. And then what I'm going to do with this, I am going to use my eyeshadow palette once again. And I'm just going to take the red and I'm just going to dab it a little bit because I want it to look like a real matte, not too glossy. And I want it to look more natural and realistic. And this is the finished look, guys. But I'm missing one thing. What can that be? There she is, the Little Mermaid. I hope you guys did enjoy. If you guys want to see more, please hit that subscribe button and comment down below what you would like to see next. See you guys in the next one. Ciao.